Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Klaviyo flows and email templates step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Flows tab on the left sidebar. Select the flow you want to back up from the list provided. Once you are in the flow view, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the flow box. Choose the export option from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the export. Click Confirm to download the flow as a JSON file. Next, head back to the left sidebar and select the Email Templates tab. Find the email template you wish to back up. Click on the three dots next to the template name. From the drop-down menu, select Export. Confirm the export when prompted. Repeat this process for any additional templates you want to back up. All downloaded files should now be saved on your computer. To organize your backups, create a dedicated folder for Klaviyo files. Label each file clearly for easy identification in the future. Your Klaviyo flows and email templates are now securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.